Hey there, jet setters! Ever felt like business travel is a game of Tetris with your carry-on? Well, buckle up. Today, we're counting down 5 tech-powered gems that'll turn you into a packing Picasso. Bonus: all links are in the description for your shopping spree. Did you know the average traveler wastes 23 minutes per trip searching for packed items? Not anymore. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 5, the Airplane Pockets Organizer. Think of this as your seat back command center. 4 expandable pockets hold everything from tablets to trail mix, so you're not that person digging under seats for their boarding pass. Plus, it's machine washable because turbulence happens. With a GadgetsPrimer.com rating of 4.6, it's basically a Swiss Army knife for your airplane seat. Next up at 4, the Mixi Carry-On Luggage. This isn't just a spinner suitcase, it's a caffeination station. Built-in cup holder? Check. Phone pocket? Obviously. USB and Type-C charging ports? You've got juice for days. The TSA-approved lock scored this smoke white stunner a 4.4 GadgetsPrimer.com rating. Perfect for anyone who thinks travel light means leaving their third latte behind. Hitting 3, the BANGE Anti-Theft Backpack. This isn't just a bag, it's a digital nomad's wingman. With a zinc alloy lock tougher than airport pretzels and USB charging faster than your flight delay excuses. Its 4.4 GadgetsPrimer.com rating proves security doesn't mean sacrificing style. And yes, it's waterproof, because life's too short to baby your bag in a downpour. At number 2, the Language Translator device. This pocket-sized Babel fish handles 139 languages. No Wi-Fi, no problem. Real-time voice translation means you'll never accidentally order haggis when you wanted pancakes. With a 4.5 GadgetsPrimer.com rating, it's your secret handshake to global communication. Who needs fluency when you've got gadgets? Crowning our list, Harry Ellis Very Slim Fit Tech Pants. Wait, dress pants as tech? Hear us out. These wrinkle-free wonders survive transatlantic flights looking boardroom ready. The stretch fabric moves with you like a well-trained assistant. Their 4.5 GadgetsPrimer.com rating proves sometimes the best tech doesn't need batteries, just sharp creases. There you have it, 5 ways to outsmart airport chaos. Want the full breakdown? Jet over to GadgetsPrimer.com for price comparisons, detailed reviews, and more travel hacks that'll make your colleagues green with envy. Safe travels, savvy shoppers. May your Wi-Fi be strong and your overhead bin space plentiful.